We're back on day 2 of our Lego Friends Advent Calendar. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, let's see what ornament we're building for day 2. It looks like we're building a boombox for a Christmas dance party. Let's open it up and start building. There's a lot of pieces to this boombox. Enjoy the holiday music while we get to building. Look at this cool boombox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos.